Hey there. Let me ask you this. How many hours did you spend this week just trying to stay organized? Sorting through 300 emails a day, writing meeting notes, tracking follow ups? If you're an executive or founder, you know exactly what that feels like. Your tools are scattered, opportunities get buried under endless threads, and your calendar controls you. And by Friday, you can't even remember what you actually accomplished. Most people spend hours each week checking, sorting, labeling, and trying to remember which message, meeting, or task needs attention. And before you realize it, your most productive hours are gone, maintaining communication instead of driving the business forward. So let me show you how you can fix that. We built what we call the Executive Productivity Agent, your personal AI operations partner. It's not just automation. These agents actively read your emails, understand context, organize your meetings, track follow ups, and deliver actionable insights just like a digital chief of staff. It lives inside your Notion, your executive HQ, quietly keeping track of every opportunity, every action, and every hour you spend. The whole system is built using a connected ecosystem of tools that executives already use daily, like your Gmail, the communication hub where every email is captured. Then you have your Google Calendar, the heartbeat of your schedule. And of course, you have your Notion Executive HQ, the command center where everything syncs, inbox, meetings, reviews, and performance reports. Then you have Fireflies AI, which transcribes and analyzes meetings automatically. And then you have OpenAI ChatGPT, which powers the agent's reasoning, classifying, summarizing, and deciding next steps. And of course, you have Zapier, the backbone connecting every part of the ecosystem. So let me show you how it works under the hood. Every time a new email arrives, a meeting starts, or a transcript is ready, the agent springs into action. It reads, reasons, routes, summarizes key points, extracts action items, and updates Notion Executive HQ in real time. By the time you sit down, your week is already organized. Your summaries, follow ups, and priorities waiting for you. First, we have our inbox triage agent. It classifies every email by urgency and topic so you focus only on what matters. Every time a new email arrives, it gets sent to the ChatGPT agent. It categorizes the email as urgent, non urgent, opportunity, or not. And based on that, it adds a label to your email. Then it sends the email to another ChatGPT node where it's summarized with clear next actions. It also handles duplicates very smartly. If the email is new, it adds labels and creates the Notion database item. If it's part of an existing thread, it updates the existing conversation log. Let me show you. Go to your inbox. Let's open this email, and the subject was Interested in Your Service. The category was automatically identified and marked as Revenue Opportunity. There are other categories as well: Action Urgent, Non Urgent, Delegate, Low Priority, Archive, or Informational. It captures all the info for the email: sender name, email address, summary, action items, next steps, and the email body. You also have your conversation log. Whenever someone replies to the same thread, it gets updated. This is stored using the thread message ID to prevent duplicates. Then we have our activity log automation. Every activity you do, email, task, or meeting, is tracked inside Notion's activity log database. If I open it, you can see that it tracks everything, meetings or emails. So you get a clear picture of what's happening each day, week, or month. Then we have our pre-meeting brief agent. It gathers context and recent conversations before each meeting. It triggers 15 or 30 minutes before your meeting. You can customize this. And from the Google Calendar event, it gets the attendees' emails. Then it searches your Gmail inbox for recent conversations with them. And it also searches your Notion databases. If you have any client notes, CRM info, or additional details, it pulls all of it together and summarizes. Then it sends you an email, your meeting brief, so you're fully ready before you join the call. Let me show you. Here's one of those briefs. You can see the category, status, email summary, action items, and the email body, all saved inside Notion. It also emails you the brief, focus points, purpose, participants, agenda, key discussions, risks and watchouts, and suggested talking points. So you don't have to search through every email or thread. You get an instant brief so you know exactly what you're walking into. Then you have your post-meeting brief agent. When Fireflies completes a transcript, it fires up. It sends the transcript to ChatGPT, which summarizes the meeting, classifies it, creates detailed notes and an AI summary, and then drafts your email follow-up. This gets added to Notion and also emailed to you. If you check the activity log, you'll see the meeting entry with activity type, summary, key decisions, next steps, AI insights, communication issues, opportunities, risks, and efficiency insights. Then we have the Daily Digest automation, which delivers a short summary of key actions and next step priorities every evening. It searches your Notion databases for everything you did that day, summarizes it, emails it to you, and logs it in Notion. If I show you one of them, here's one of the Daily Digests. It includes executive summary, top wins, top 5 opportunities, including revenue opportunities, bottlenecks, efficiency insights, recommended next steps, suggested automations, and time analysis, showing what percentage of time you spent on different activities. Then you have the weekly digest automation, similar to the daily one but sent weekly. It also has its own separate Notion database called Weekly Review. And lastly, we have weekly totals automation, auto-calculating workload summaries and efficiency patterns. If you open one, you'll see the week start, weekend, duration summary, number of activities, activities breakdown, category breakdowns, top activity, top category, and percentage breakdowns. If we look at the overall system and the impact the agent delivers, it saves 10 to 15 hours every week across emails, meetings, and admin. It delivers 100% follow-up completion. You get real-time visibility and awareness of where your attention goes. You get AI insights that help you work smarter, not harder. So you operate from a position of total clarity and control. You know exactly what's happening, what needs attention, and where to focus. No inbox chaos, no missed threads, no scattered notes, just one intelligent agent managing it all. It's not about replacing your tools. It's about connecting them and making them think together. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more systems like this. And if you would like us to build your executive productivity agent, visit our website or send us a message. Let's make your systems work for you, not the other way around. Thanks for watching.